The 2026 Duesenberg Model J is a bold, ultra-luxury revival that dares to bring back one of the most legendary names in automotive history. Where most modern heritage cars settle for a few retro cues and a fancy badge, this concept imagines something far more serious. A true flagship built with the same philosophy that made the original Model J famous. Unapologetic power, extreme craftsmanship, and presence that dominates the road before it even moves. From the outside, the 2026 Model J looks like rolling architecture. The hood is long, sculpted, and dramatic, paying tribute to the classic proportions of the 1930s original. A towering, modernized grille becomes the centerpiece, wide, vertical, and unmistakably regal, while ultra-slim LED lighting wraps around it like jewelry. The body lines are smooth but muscular, with sharp creases flowing from the front fenders to the rear like a tailored suit. The stance is low and planted, yet still carries that old-world grandeur, especially with large turbine-style wheels and polished chrome accents that reflect the surroundings like a mirror. Performance is where this modern Model J shocks the world. In this vision, the car is powered by a massive twin-turbo V12 or hybrid-assisted V12, delivering effortless torque and brutal acceleration without losing refinement. It doesn't feel like a sports car chasing lap times. It feels like a luxury battleship with the ability to launch forward instantly. The exhaust note is deep, smooth, and expensive, tuned to sound like power rather than noise. Adaptive suspension keeps the ride floating over rough roads, while advanced chassis control ensures the car remains stable even when driven hard. What makes the 2026 Duesenberg Model J truly special is its attitude. It isn't trying to compete with typical modern luxury sedans or even high-end coupes. It sits above them. This is a car designed for people who want something rare, dramatic, and historically meaningful, something that feels like it belongs in front of a five-star hotel, a private mansion, or a museum. It's not about blending in. It's about being remembered. Step inside and the cabin feels like a private lounge designed for royalty. The 2026 Duesenberg Model J is imagined as a hand-built masterpiece, where real materials matter. Rich leather, open-pore wood, brushed metal, and glass controls replace the cold, overly digital feel of many modern luxury cars. A wide panoramic display is integrated subtly into the dash rather than dominating it, keeping the interior elegant and timeless. The seats are thick, deeply cushioned, and crafted like high-end furniture. In every way, the 2026 Duesenberg Model J is imagined as the return of true American automotive royalty, reborn with modern technology, but still driven by the same timeless idea. The best car in the world should never need to explain itself.